Reading practice number 7 is a transcription quiz. Dear friend, as you know, many retired persons suffer hardships because they have to live on fixed incomes. Period. We have just adapted a program that should prove exceedingly helpful to the senior citizens of our neighborhood. Paragraph. Beginning Wednesday, January 5, all senior citizens will be entitled to 10% discount on all food products. Period. The only stipulation for eligibility of this program is that person submit proof of age to our assistant manager, Miss Lydia Harrington. Period. Presented to our cashier each time a purchase is made. Period. The cashier will automatically deduct 10% from the total purchase price. Paragraph. If you are 65 or over, get your identification card immediately. Period. You will be able to make substantial savings in the days ahead. Period. Your neighborhood supermarket.